Hi, I'm Rick Evans. I'm with the company called Unscratch the Surface. We use glass renew system, and today we're going to be demonstrating from start to finish how we're going to repair, how to do the repair. Okay, look at it. Okay, so first we have to determine what we're going to need to do this job. It's a really deep graffiti job. So we're going to start with our most aggressive disc, the red disc, and we're going to go with the 5-inch and use our 5-inch backing pad. And we also want to make sure we have our safety glasses and our dust mask. Now we're ready to begin. Okay, so to do this job, this is pretty much the deepest graffiti you're ever going to run into. So we're going to need start safety first. We have our safety glasses, we have our dust mask, and for this job we decided we're going to start with our most aggressive red disc, and we're starting with the 5-inch pad, and we'll also need our wire brush and our infrared non-contact thermometer. Stop. Okay, so we're ready to start. We need our grinder. We need our non-contact. Okay, here's what we need. We've determined the depth. This is pretty much the worst type of repair we're going to get. It's a pretty bad scratch, really deep. So what we need is we decided to go with our 5-inch with our red most aggressive disc. We also need our non-contact thermometer so we can gauge the temperature of the glass, wire brush, dust mask, and safety glasses, and of course our grinder. So let's begin. Okay, so we checked the temperature. We're good. It's only about 90 degrees. We want to keep it under 150. Also, if you look at the repair, we're going to have to go, you can see it's real deep, so we're going to have to go pretty far outside of the area. And we'll be grinding on this for quite a while because it is so deep. Maybe you can zoom in on that a little. Okay, so you can see this is a really deep scratch here. So it's going to take a while to get that down, but we'll probably end up taking it out pretty far. So we just want to work it. It is tempered, so we can not worry so much about the temperature of the glass. But back to work. Okay, one thing I want to explain, as we can see how deep this is, how we have to take it out further and further and further. The longer you're working on a piece of glass, the further out you have to take it. If you don't, you will get distortion. So that's the trick to our system, is we have to take it out further, and then we minimize or completely remove any chance of distortion. So as you can see, it's getting further and further.